Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green eggplant. First, choose a sunny spot in your garden that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. The soil should be well draining, rich in organic matter, and have a pH level between 6.0 and 6.8. Plant your green eggplant seedlings after the last frost, ensuring they are spaced 24 to 36 inches apart. For an earlier start, you can begin seeds indoors approximately 8 to 10 weeks before the final expected frost. Consistent watering is crucial for healthy green eggplants. Aim to provide about 1 inch of water per week, ensuring the soil remains evenly moist but not waterlogged. Once your plants start to flower and produce fruit, feed them with a balanced fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks. Applying a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch around the base will help retain soil moisture and keep weeds at bay. Also, keep an eye out for common pests such as flea beetles and aphids, and treat them quickly. As your green eggplant plants grow, they will benefit greatly from support. Install stakes or cages when the plants are around 12 inches tall to prevent them from falling over under the weight of their fruit. Prune any lower leaves that are touching the soil to enhance air circulation and minimize disease risk. Removing suckers, which are small shoots growing from the main stem, will help the plant focus its energy on developing larger, more flavorful eggplants. Aim for about 5 or 6 fruits per plant for optimal quality. Knowing when to harvest your green eggplants is key. Look for fruits that are glossy, firm, and usually between 6 to 8 inches in length. If the skin starts to look dull, it's likely overripe. Use a sharp knife or pruning shears to cut the stem, leaving about 1 inch attached to the eggplant. During the peak growing season, check your plants every 2 to 3 days as they mature rapidly. Freshly harvested eggplants can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, or blanched and frozen for extended enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.